Hi, my name is Katya Zilbersteyn. I am a certified practitioner of Hanna Somatics and the Feldenkrais Method, a PhD in psychology, and I've been working in private practice since 2012. So, what is somatics? Somatics is an approach to human development and learning through mindful movement. It's grounded in biomechanics, neurology, and the science of neuroplasticity. Through somatic practice, people learn to develop body awareness, improve posture, flexibility, and coordination, enhance athletic and artistic skills, and find support in coping with stress, trauma, chronic pain, and muscle tension. There's a simple truth. To see real, lasting results, you need to practice regularly, just like brushing your teeth or getting enough sleep. Here are the key principles. 1. Move slowly. We move slowly so the brain has time to notice what the body is doing. When we slow down, we gain the ability to feel our movements rather than just repeat them automatically. 2. Stay aware. We don't just perform exercises. We observe sensations. Where is there tension? Where is it easier? What's changing? It's a dialogue with the body, not a set of commands. 3. Stay in your comfort zone. No pain, no forcing, no pushing through. We respect the body's boundaries and only move into what feels comfortable. That's exactly where true change begins. 4. Be curious and attentive. The goal isn't to do something better, higher, or stronger, but to understand, sense, and learn something new. It's an exploration. What if I do this differently? 5. No rush, no expectations. Each session is a chance to give the body and nervous system space to restore and recalibrate. We're not rushing, comparing, or demanding. We're simply learning how to be with ourselves. Somatics is like a quiet conversation with your body, not a competition. Even 10 minutes of mindful movement a day is already a therapeutic act. In addition, I recommend 1 to 2 full sessions per week to give your body space for deeper work, to unwind long-held tensions and re-educate your movement patterns. That's exactly how Moshe Feldenkrais, the founder of one of the most well-known somatic methods, used to work. In the 1950s, he taught classes every morning and evening on Alexander Yanai Street in Tel Aviv. People came to him as if for morning exercise, but it was exercise for both the brain and the body. This isn't about shoulds or rigid discipline. It's about helping the body feel again that it can be trusted and relied on. When practice becomes a habit, what returns is vitality, flexibility, a sense of internal stability, and life starts to change, gradually but meaningfully. Learn to release tension, improve posture, and breathe more freely through guided weekly body work. Join our